Hello everyone, I am Nitin Sharma and welcome to the Nitin Sharma show. So in this show, in the video, I will discuss, I will talk, I will give my perspective. What will happen if I will be succeed in my life? What will happen if I will grow, if I will success in my life? So one by one I will talk all the details. In the video I will talk in details that what will happen if I grow rich, if I make a beautiful mind, if I make a powerful body, if I make a powerful career. Overall I will success. Okay, so first of all, your fake relative. In the video I will talk about myself. I do not want to happy my audience. I do not want to appreciate you. Only and only I will talk about myself. I do not want like, I do not want subscribe, I do not want comment, I do not want that my video will be viral, my video will be uh, I will be like Mr. Beast, I will be like Mr. Karim Nathi. I do not want to be like that. I am genuine, I am real. So in the video I only talk about myself. So the purpose of my making video is to saving the storage of my phone and filling the storage of YouTube. Okay, so my friends, if I will success, then I have an opportunity to start my career in business. From childhood I have a dream to becoming an IS officer. But what will I do after becoming an IS officer? The next step will be business. But now my mindset is changed. Now my mindset is that first of all I want to be success in my government job. So what will be my government job? Now I am thinking that I will clear SSC CGL exam. SSC CGL is an opportunity, a very good opportunity for me, because SSC CGL is an easiest exam and I do not want to dive into deeper, because if I dive into deeper then my mind will be stressed, anxiety, full of depression. I do not want to tell that, because I only want one thing from the SSC, that is one seat. I want only seat. If I get, if I get one seat, then what will happen? I will earn 1 lakh per month from the government job exam. And when I will earn 1 lakh from government job, so your fake relative, all your fake relative will be in your favor. In the first step you will be the most richest man in your family member. In the first step, the most powerful, the most handsome, the most powerful. Okay, all your fake relative like your maternal uncle, your paternal uncle, all the members of your family, all the your relative, this society, your friends will be convert. So it will be, if you will be success in your life. And second, you, a lot of opportunity will open, like business career, stock market career, real estate career. You will join, you will have also an opportunity. You can, you can own your home, you can own your land, you can own your car, you can own your community. Okay, you can do a lot of things, but only one thing, this is like a boundary. This is the boundary which is most crowded. Okay, this is the boundary, this is the most crowded, most glamorous, and most noisy. And here, all of poor people, all of middle class people is trapped. But after this boundary, you will join in another world. You will jump in another world. Your mindset will be another, your body will be another. You will feel, oh my lord, this is the real life. You will feel another type of experience like euphoria. Euphoria, what is the meaning of euphoria? The meaning of euphoria is extreme happiness. After clearing government exam, state will be euphoria. Okay, so my friends, I will tell you only one thing and only one thing, that don't be hurdled. Matlab, I know that today you are depressed with your friends, with your family member, with your relative, that matlab, they tell that you do not call, you do not call, you do not call, you do not do it, you do not do it, you do not do it. A lot of things they are telling. Why? Why? Because you have no money. Your father is poor, your family is poor. This is the reality. And being poor is the root of all problem. You have no money, then a lot of problem will come in your life. A lot of problem will come in your life. But when you will earn a lot of money, 99% of your problem will be vanished. 99% of your problem. So my suggestion, my advice will be, Nitin, you have now opportunity. Now you are 19 years old boy. I know that in this phase all your friends will be lost, all your family will be lost, all your relatives will be lost. The real person will be with you. Who's real? Who is realistic? Who is genuine? But your friend, your relative will not with you. Who only come when the work. Okay. So no, I am not giving any type of philosophy. This is real, which I am telling in the video. This is 100% real. This is 100% genuine. And I think I should work hard. One thing I thought before starting the preparation of government exam, that is before I completed graduation, I will have a government job. What type of dream, what type of desire, and what type of thought, what type of thinking in 2023 I hold. But in the 2025, there is going to be 2 years of my preparation of the government exam. But now I have no experience to giving any exams. I have no any real time experience. एंड बट मेरे को एक इंटरनल फीलिंग आती है बहुत, मैं किसी को बताता नहीं, मेरे इंटरनल फीलिंग आती है दैट आई विल अचीव ए वेरी बिग थिंग इन माई लाइफ, very big thing. But what is the thing? I don't know. I don't know what is the thing. He's Robert Kiyosaki. He's the rich. He's rich man. He's a lot of rich man. I want to also be the part of the community. I want to also be the part of the community of the Robert Kiyosaki. Okay. Okay. Action. What is the difference between action and motion? So, अगर हम एक्शन का बात करें तो एक्शन वह प्रोसेस होता है, जैसे कि मुझको फुटबॉल खेलना बहुत ही पसंद है। मैं बचपन में बहुत सारा फुटबॉल खेला करता था और मेरे को फुटबॉल खेलना बहुत ही पसंद है। तो ये होता है मोशन, जैसे कि मैं कल फुटबॉल खेलूँगा, तो ये मोशन हो गया। बट आप जितना ज़्यादा मोशन में रहोगे आप उतना ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड रहोगे, बट आपका रियल ग्रोथ नहीं होगा। यही होता है मोशन। लेकिन एक्शन क्या होता है? एक्शन वो प्रोसेस होता है जब आप फील्ड पर जाते हो, जो आप करना चाहते हो उसको जाके रियल परफॉर्म करते हो, तो उसको कहते हैं हम एक्शन। So there are a lot of difference between motion and action. We should understand deeper. We should dive into it. And when we will distinguish about motion and action, then you will understand the importance of action. And when you understand the importance of action, then you will be in action. And when you will take action, you will dive into the flow state. And flow state is the extreme state where your all the parts of your mind, especially your prefrontal cortex, will be. What is prefrontal cortex? Prefrontal cortex is the part of our brain which is responsible for your logic. Like you are learning reasoning, so reasoning make your prefrontal cortex sharper. So why I choose SSC CGL exam? I choose SSC CGL exam because reasoning will make my prefrontal cortex sharper, and when my prefrontal cortex will be sharper, then my ability to thinking will be also sharper. And English, I have English is the English is English is a language, and in the SSC CGL exams English is the most required, and English is my favorite subject. So reasoning, English, and GK and GS. Oh my god, what I will tell about GK and GS. GK and GS is the most used subject in the world. History, geography, politics, economics, physics, chemistry, biology, strategy, current affair will give you another type of perspective to living in the world. And mathematics, calculation, arithmetic, and advance. So without arithmetic, without advance, without calculation, you can't start business in your future, because in the future you will beat artificial intelligence. Then your capability, your capacity and your ability will be like beating artificial intelligence. Okay, so you will have to master it. So I choose SSC for this purpose, not for this purpose that I will do and do. And also I have a desire, I have a deep desire that one time I will completed the complete syllabus of SSC, like history, geography, polity, economics, physics, chemistry, biology, strategy, current affair, logical, आपका verbal reasoning, non verbal reasoning, critical thinking and calculation, arithmetic, math, advanced math, and then grammar, vocabulary and reading for you. मतलब मेरा एक डिज़ायर है कि आप लोगों को मैं ये पढ़ाऊँ। बहुत ही मेरा मतलब कभी कभी लगता है कि आपको मैं कंप्लीट सिलेबस कराऊँ, लेकिन मेरे पास बहुत सारा टाइम है। मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आप लोगों को मैं कम एक बार मैं चाहता हूँ कि जानते हो कि मैं जितना मेरे पास नॉलेज है हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमिक्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, स्ट्रैटेजी के करंट अफेयर, उसको मैं यूट्यूब पर पढ़ाऊँ। तो यूट्यूब कंटेंट बन गया, सब कोई देखेगा, बिजनेस बन गया। जितना नॉलेज रहेगा उससे मैं गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम निकाल देंगे, गवर्नमेंट जॉब हो गया। जितना पैसा कमाएंगे उससे हम ट्रैवलिंग कर लेंगे। देख रहे हो कितना ज़्यादा फ़ायदा है यूट्यूब कंटेंट बनाने में। आपका बिजनेस भी हो रहा है, आपका बिजनेस भी हो रहा है, आपका यूट्यूब कंटेंट भी बन रहा है। सोच रहे हो कितना ज़्यादा फ़ायदा है। कम से कम 2 घंटा तो दूंगा अपने वीडियो बनाने में, 2 घंटा। यस, तो सबसे पहले कौन सा सब्जेक्ट से स्टार्ट किया जाए, आप बोलिए। यस, दिस आइडिया इज़ गुड यार, दिस आइडिया इज़ गुड। ये मुझको हैप्पी भी बनाता है और मस्त बनाता है। अब होगी असली लड़ाई शुरू। नाउ द रियल गेम विल स्टार्ट। आई एम द परफेक्ट टीचर। द मास्टर।